welcome back to Nesa Reddy's Daily Vlogs. Hope you all are doing great. And yesterday we were searching for rooms in Tirupati after reaching Tirupati. And in Tirupati, Srinivasa, and nowhere else we found room. So we had to head up to the hill. And in Tirupati also we searched everywhere in Tirumala. Even in Tirumala we couldn't find room. And finally we got one room. And we got ready early in the morning. We just got 2 or 3 hours to rest, and O'Donnell is there in the lift. And why did they even put O'Donnell in the lift? I don't know. Maybe even lift stinks and they want everything to be nice and good. And we are gonna climb 3,550 steps, and it's gonna be 9 kilometers, and it is like a hill and you have to climb. It's gonna be very difficult, and so we decided to have breakfast and leave before we start the climbing. As we are already on the top of the hill, we have to go back down, but we are not taking the car. We just parked it so that we can take some other vehicle and go. And they say gypsies are very common here and it's gonna be good. And I choose puri to have breakfast, and that was a very bad choice. I regretted it later, but yeah, these kind of gypsies are very common in Tirumala. To go down, we chose this vehicle from Tirumala to Tirupati, which is called as Aliperi. From there we are gonna start our climbing. This is a kind of trek, but a spiritual trek, wherein I'm gonna ask God, I want millions of dollars, God, so I'm doing this, so kindly give me the $1 million in my account. And also I am gonna pray for becoming a biggest pop star in the world, and let's see what happens. I really wanna listen to God's thought about all my wishes, but it is not possible though, as He doesn't have phone. He is living in heaven where there is no network. Whatever we have built, it is not for heaven. It is only inside the world. It is not even available for aliens, I believe. So of course God is also might be a alien. Is it? I'm actually not sure. Comment and let me know if you know. As I believe God is not inside the earth, so He is not earthling, right? So I'm presuming it that God might be an alien who is gonna help us in everything we wish for. And this is the almost end of trek, and we are going down. We have to climb from the start. I feel like I can really embrace the beauty of nature while climbing. It is also inside the forest. I really wanted to see what all kind of animals I can explore. Finally we reached below, and here is what we have to do. Here we have to break the coconut, do little bit of puja, and then start our climbing. And I also decided to put kumkum, gandh, shrigandh, and also mix of turmeric to each and every step. Instead of adding one by one, I thought I'll mix all of it together in this bowl. Then I'll put it. Let's see how am I gonna do it. Even my friend Siri is doing this, and she didn't share her wish with me, thinking that it might not become true. Whatever we believe, that's what it always happens, right? So I believe that it's okay to share, because it's okay what's there in that. Some people believe it's not good to share, but I share. No point of hiding it. Once it becomes true, it will happen anyway. Then when I started doing it, temple comes after these staircases. There I wanna pray and start it in a right way. So I am at Tirupati temple. I have been thinking to do this for my dreams and all, to become a billionaire or to become a pop singer, so on and so forth. But when I started it, or when I started mixing, to turmeric and also kumkum, I started feeling like I don't want to do it for that. I really want to do it for my parents' happiness and their health. So I'm planning to climb this mountain, which is almost 8.7 kilometers. And to each and every step I take, I'm planning to put this kumkum and pray for my parents' health. So see you at the top. start was actually good. I was not feeling tired. I was feeling it to be easy, and I just have to bend over and put kumkum and pray that health of my mom, dad, my brother, little brother, everybody should be happy and they should be healthy and they should live 100 years is what I want. And that's what I was praying, thinking about it and moving along. And there comes the temple. I thought maybe this kumkum I bought is not enough because almost it was over by then on the way we saw some shop where we bought it, but again it was a very small packet. I don't think it might last for a very long time, and I was feeling little tired as I keep moving forward. As you see in the fast forward, it looks very easy, but it was really damn difficult. And one of my friend told that we can see so many animals, and even lion, tigers and all will be there. I was scared, what if lion eats me? And here comes the tiredness. Oh my god, I took little bit of rest because darshan time was too late. I have to reach soon, and again this was almost over. I thought I'll mix it while I take rest as well. Kumkum, oh my god, it was so difficult, and you can see how tired I am, and I was sweating a lot. Oh my god, and we just came to 700 steps, that's all. It's not more than that. I thought we might have reached 2000 steps seeing that, but I didn't understand it properly. Later my friend explained saying that 2000 steps are still ahead and we reached only 700 steps. I was like, OMG. Then I started saying Govinda, Govinda, and then I started moving ahead. But it was just 12,050 steps by then. I was really tired. I feel like every day if I climb the staircase, I might get six packs. That is for sure. And there are people who are also putting this karpoor in each and every step. And they say they already prayed for something in Tirupati and that came true, or it actually happened. Post that, they bought this karpoor and lightened it on each and every step. And I was exhausted and my whole face was sweating, whole body was sweating. I feel like I definitely need a shower after this, and I don't know if I get time because our time for darshan is 2 p.m. but we started around 10 a.m. because it was late and we didn't get room on time. We had to quickly start, so our darshan ticket was at 2 p.m. and we have to reach there by then. 10 to 2, it might be easy, but I'm not sure whether I'll be able to reach or not. And yes, so many key bunches were there, and one of my friend is missing. She didn't come, so I bought one key bunch for her and gave it to my friend who is wearing bag, and we carried only one bag for all of them so that we can wear. Oh my god, what am I seeing? She's so cute. I saw one animal so far and I'm really excited to see lion or tiger if I'll be able to see. I'm not gonna run because I know, right? I'm doing so much for God. Do you think God will let it happen? God will protect me anyways. I'm gonna stare at lion's eyes like he's my boyfriend. And I am also a lioness. I'm not gonna get scared of any male lion. Oh my god, what is this? It looks little weird though. What kind of animal is this? I actually don't know the name of this animal. I forgot what. But it looks really different and so big. It's not a deer, but what is it? If you know, let me know in the comments. And here we are at Hanuman temple. OMGMO. Hi Hanuman, how are you guys doing? And I'm really wishing you also to take care of my whole family, my friends and everybody else. And of course you will take care. I know you're the best, right? And after that I spotted these little cute animals. Oh my god, they're so cute. I feel like touching. I just jumped in, and after that everybody else around me also jumped in. I don't know if I'm giving a wrong information to all those people who are around me, but they were really looking amazing. Even this kid was touching, even I wanted to touch, and see, I never ever touched deer so far, and this is the first time I'm even seeing them so close. It was so beautiful. Can you imagine? And I'm just walking as if these deers are not at all afraid of us. They're so friendly and cute and so nice. I don't know how to say. I really feel like if I wish I had a tent and I can, club here with friends and all that, stay here overnight, but I don't know whether if it's safe or not. But people say they spotted so many dangerous animals, and it looks so beautiful. Nature is so amazing, and this all gave me little bit of breath to move on. Seeing all these things, I got little more energy and then started moving along. Here and there I took rest, but we have to reach on time. That is also a bigger point. And from here we have to walk so far for Mokala Parvata, where even staircase will be more inclined than it is. I don't know how am I gonna climb that. I was really tired. I'm also thinking about my backbone. I feel like what if it breaks? Little bit of backbone pain started, legs started paining, and also a small layer of my, what do you call, feet started paining as if it might come off. Oh my god, it is not easy at all, and it is suggested that only few people who are really strong could do that. But there are so many people, older people, youngsters, kids, all are climbing. But trust me, it is really not easy, and there are so many people climbing Mokala Parvata on their knees, and I really couldn't even stand. So I decided not to climb this time. Maybe next time when I don't put the kumkum, that time I can see if I can do it or not. But it's not good to actually think about it. And finally we reached top of the mountain, and I also want to tell God again why I did all this, and whatever I want to pray to God, I want to pray here, and then we start going to temple. Oh my god, thank you so much for watching. So please subscribe and support and watch previous and next video. Comment your thoughts. See you guys.